Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Tonight I'm going to be unboxing a very rare or extremely rare Gentex fire alarm. This alarm is really rare and I can't wait to show it to you guys. And yes, I got a tripod for Christmas. There you go. But you gotta get that. There you go. Still figuring out how I work the tripod. So, here we go. Paper, my favorite. And here is our alarm. And what did I get? I got a Gentex GMH. That's right, this is the horn-only version of the Gentex GMS. Alright, let's see how I figure this out. I feel like some of this is original tape, but at the same time, I don't want to... Oh well. I think this is it right here. There we go. I'm like shivering. Because one, it's cold in the basement here. And two, it's a rare as heck alarm. Actually, I'm gonna do this part off cam. Okay, so I made a small slit here, but how did the seller package this thing? It almost feels like I actually have to cut this entire box open just to open the alarm. But I'll figure it out. Okay, so I figured it out. Tape is covering the lid, so... Yeah. Actually, it was a risk, but I made the right move, and I'm happy. Success! We saved the original box, and I don't have to completely cut it open. Ooh, cardboard. Here it is. Gotta make sure I get this on cam. Here it is. Here it is. A Gentex GMH electromechanical horn. I remember reading somewhere that these were one of the last mechanical horns ever produced. The DC mechanical horns. And then, as of today, AC mechanical horns are still being produced. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Torque Alert, that one company, I guess, makes 24-volt gray electromechanical horns. That I don't know, but this is really cool. Here is a closer look of the horn right here. Alright, I'll go ahead and wire this up and we're going to see what this sounds like. Alrighty, I got the GMH all wired up. This is going to be a short test, and I will make another one of these. I will make another video with this horn, and I'll combine it with another alarm that I'll be getting soon. Hint, hint. That goes really well with the GMH. So this is going to be a short blast of the first time test of the GMH. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Alright, that'll do for this neat video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.